Shiba Inu next biggest pump is going to hit over 500,000 to 1,000,000% price pump. Remember, Shiba Inu in the past have already pumped millions of percent. Now, this same coin with latest project that Shiba Inu are planning, and also remember that Shiba Inu also they have increased the burning rate of Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu remain the biggest crypto coins among the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap that have more supplies than other coins. Even though the coin is ranked among the top 15, 17 crypto coins right now with the highest market cap, and also Shiba Inu is one of the coins that have the biggest followers on Instagram, on Twitter. They have huge community, millions of Shiba Inu community. Now, with this community, Shiba is planning to increase the burning rate of Shiba Inu coin, which will help Shiba Inu to hit trillions and quintillions of Shiba Inu burn. I mean trillions of Shiba Inu burn, because we have about over 578 trillion supply. Now Shiba Inu are planning to burn over 500 trillion supplies within the short period of time. They said it is time for Shiba Inu mega burning to start pumping. It is time for Shiba Inu to take over. It is time for Shiba Inu to shock the world once again, just like the way they did about 2 years ago. Now, this is one of the coins that have attracted a lot of people into the crypto industry. Even I have some friends who never wanted to buy or invest in crypto, but when I explained about Shiba Inu history, they said no, they need to buy Shiba Inu coins because there's a tendency this coin can still pump, and they started buying other and investing in crypto coins, buying other coins and also investing in crypto coins. And there's an opportunity. Okay, for example, right now Shiba Inu is really coming out with different strategies to make sure that Shiba Inu is going to hit. Okay, and this is why I believe that in the long run, Shiba Inu is going to pump over 500,000 to 1,000,000% once again. There is a tendency for that because the target right now is 1 cent. Before we are talking about Shiba Inu deleting just a zero, but right now Shiba Inu, right now developers are focusing on 1 cent. And there's a problem. There's a tendency they can get to that point with recent projects. So if you are Shiba Inu holders, if you are buying Shiba Inu, the truth is there's a possibility for more money to flow in. There's a possibility for more profit for you once you buy and invest in Shiba Inu. But just buy what you know. Even though it didn't go the direction you want, you will still be okay. It will not affect your financial situation. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.